Why? I need to know! Oh, yeah, I'll let you freak out. Darn. Yeah, where is he? Yes, where does it keep going? Sir, can you stop tricking me? Where does he keep going? Okay, where does that guy keep going? I need to find him now, before I blow my top. Hey, don't mess with my camera! Camera? What am I talking about? Aha! Who are you? What is your name? Who the heck are you? What the heck? How did it even do that? There it is! Come back here, you goofy! But for my sake, I can fly! I've had it once and for all, wise guy. Stop making that annoying... Just, who are you and why are you sneaking me? And why are you gray in coloration? What? Oh snap, I lost him again! Grrr! Oh, I'm just gonna forget it. It's probably some prankster. Well, this is a nice view. Ouch! Ouch! Youchie! He pecked me! He freaking pecked me! Oh, no. Don't even think about it, Spangle. Ugh. Where'd he go? When I got into that flying spurt, where was I last? Oh yeah, that's where I was. I was in the garage. That must be where he is, I guess. I will find him. I will find him. What on earth are you doing, Spangle? Okay. I'm gonna find this weirdo and confront him and tell him why he keeps pecking at me and making weird noises. I gotta find him first. If I were a bird, where would I be? In a nest. Hey, Will, is that you? Where in the goof is he? That whole guy is a goof. This is a good place to watch. What the? Hey! Hi! What are you doing to my camera? What are you doing to my camera? Get it. Give my camera back! There you are! Ah, it's a mockingbird! I should have known. Why do you keep doing weird, goofy stuff? You didn't answer my question. Why do you keep bugging me? Answer the darn question. Answer my question, son! I don't know what game you're playing, but leave me alone, please.